In this video, I'm going to show you how you can become a Deliveroo delivery driver. So here's what we have to do. Just go to the App Store first and search for Deliveroo and make sure you get the Deliveroo Rider app. Now, this is the one that we want to get if we want to apply for a delivery job. Now, once you have gotten this app, it's going to look a little something like this. And at the bottom, we want to select Apply to be a rider. Once we have selected this, then we can choose where we want to actually deliver. So we have the UK, Belgium, France, Ireland, Italy, Hong Kong, and Singapore. And we're just going to choose the UK like so. So here, the first step is going to be what's the main reason you'd like to write for Deliveroo. And we can choose why we chose Deliveroo, essentially. So I'm going to choose, I want extra income. Earn competitive fees. We pay a competitive fee for each order you deliver. All right, perfect. Let's do it. Once you select this, where would you like to work? We want to select the region which we will work in. So for example, here, let's do Bath, just like that. And we are going to proceed. Tell us about yourself. Please ensure that the first and last name you use matches exactly with the first and last name on your government issued ID. Okay, so here you want to type out your name. I will just write it with my channel name, just like that for this tutorial, and make sure you input your email address as well. And then we will also need to give them our phone number. So type out your phone number right here. And the last thing that we want to do is choose the vehicle which we will use to deliver. So we have the option of bicycle, electric bicycle, scooter, or car. And basically right here, I'm just going to choose scooter. And after you have typed out all of your information, we will click on next. Okay, so I'll just apply the email address and phone number and come back in a sec. Okay, and once you have typed out your phone number and email address, you will receive verification codes on both your phone and your email. And you want to just input the codes right here in the last field, and that's gonna make you apply for a Deliveroo delivery job. And then if you get approved, you will receive an email and a message on your phone, and you can begin dashing or delivering food. So that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.